Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Shopify to Facebook. If you want to connect this, you have to go to your setting, then go to the apps and sales channel. You have to install Facebook and Instagram. I have already installed, so I will uninstall and I will show you step-by-step guide here. Now you have to go and click on Shopify App Store. You will be redirected to new page. In the front page, you will usually find Facebook and Instagram. If you don't get it, you can search for that application. Now click on install. To install it, you will be again redirected to a new page of this Shopify, and here you will get this option to install here. So make sure just wait for a few seconds and it will get installed in your Shopify store. Once installed, it will show in the apps channel here. I will pin this up. Now you will get this option of get started. To connect this, if you're living in USA, right, you might click on this, but you have to go down below and click on get started in this section, because in many countries shop is not available. Facebook shop is not available, but ads is available everywhere. So if you're trying to use only Facebook and Instagram ads, then just go and click on get started. In this way, you will not face any kind of error. Click on connect account here. You will be redirected to a new page. Connect your Facebook account. You might get option to sign in into your Facebook account. Now create a business portfolio. I've already done it. You can just create instantly. You will not redirect it to anywhere. It will just happen in seconds. Now here you have to select maximum, because you have to share as much data to Facebook so that they can give you a good audience. I mean, they can in this way Facebook will be able to find a good audience for your store. Now here you have to connect Facebook database to tracker the pixel. So just go and click on connect, click on I agree, click on submit for and review, and within few seconds may you have to just wait here, and after once it get fulfilled to the end, your Facebook will get connected to your Shopify. So it has got finished. Now you will automatically able to see this option of setting. As you can see here, everything is synced and it's connected, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.